The Ichimoku support resistance AD indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it will start displaying support and resistance levels on the price chart. Traders can use the Ichimoku support and resistance AD indicator to examine support levels in blue and resistance levels in red, and based on these levels, perform more specialized analyses on the chart. The calculation and operation of the indicator are based on the chart's high and low, as well as the Ichimoku indicator. Also, if you enable the fractal option, the indicator will start displaying price fractals on the chart. In the settings section, under input, there are options available for us, and in the first three inputs, we can set the calculation periods related to the Ichimoku. In the first input, we can set the calculation period for Tenkan. In the second input, we can set the calculation period for Kijun-sen. And in the third input, we can set the calculation period for Senko span B here. In the next option, we have the ability to set the fractal rank, where we can adjust the period for detecting fractals, and we can specify the rank of these fractals in this section. Any number we enter in this section, it will check half of that number to the left and to the right, and if the highs and lows are higher or lower than the others, it will consider them as a fractal. In the next input, we have the option to set the color for the support lines. In the next option, we can set the thickness of the support lines, and finally, we can choose the drawing style of these lines from 5 types: solid, dash, dot, dash, dot, and dash, dot, dot. In the next input, we have the option to set the color of the resistance levels, which we can change to any color we like, and we can adjust the thickness of these lines from 1 to 5. We can choose the drawing style of these lines. And in the next option, there is the ability to display fractals on the price chart, which we can enable or disable. And finally, in the last input, there is the option to set the number of candles to be analyzed and calculated on the chart, which is set to 1000 candles by default. This means the indicator will analyze up to 1000 candles. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.